One little screw can cause a huge leak. Here, one screw will cause all this rot. A little bit of rot. But in order to replace all that, we gotta take out all these panels. So maybe it's just over. All right, guys, we are all done here with this metal roof repair. What was happening here was water was coming off this slope, getting in underneath the valley, and it was getting in under one screw, causing a rotted wood underneath. The only way to replace that wood is to remove these panels here to be able to get to that one area. Other area was over on this side. Leak was coming in here and running down this slope and rotting out, as you guys saw here. So in order to replace all of that, a little bug, you got to replace all these panels. Hey, just leaving the job site now. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you learned some today. A little bit about metal roofs. They're very nice. They're very beautiful. They last a very long time, about 3 times as long as shingle roofs. They can become very costly if you get a leak, because you have to remove entire sections and panels, as you guys saw, and you know, very skilled crew and individuals to do that. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, let me know. See you guys on the next clip. Take care.